For this to be like makeup therapy, it's not giving makeup therapy. It's giving no. I can't tell you why everybody upstairs is as loud as they are, because I don't know. So sorry if you hear that. What's good, guys? So welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready. Today we have a like a family gathering. As you can see, I'm halfway through doing my hair, so this is why it looks crazy like this. But I'm about to blow dry my hair real quick. This side is already like blow dried for the most part, as you can see. You can see it like this, and I have to do this side, so you're gonna just watch me kind of get myself ready for today. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but okay, so I just finished blow drying my hair with the other blow dryer that you saw, and this is what like the results look like. It's like pretty straight for the most part. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my T3 and I'm just gonna like try to bump the ends. I wish you guys could see me more. I'm gonna try to sit up a little bit more so you guys could see, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, I don't know if I really am doing this right, but I'm just gonna show you what I do when I try to bump the ends of my hair, and then I'm gonna curl my hair and give it like this blowout look. So let's do that. Okay, so now that that's done, I am going to take my hair and part it down the middle. My parts are never as straight as I want them to be. So I'm going to take some more of my Cheese Silk Infusion, which is, this is a, I don't know if this is like a leave-in or what. I don't really know, but this is what I use on my hair. And then I use a wax stick too to get it like super straight. So I take my Care wax stick, because now I'm going to actually start straightening my hair. I mean, I do this every time, so I don't know if you guys really want to even see this as a tutorial, or I'm just kind of showing you how I get ready. So either way, I do need to plug up a curling iron though, because I am going to do like some effortless curls. But this is what it looks like after that. So it's like blow dry-y, effortless. See? You can see that, right? Cool. Now, what I'm going to do, I cannot find that, man, I need that wax stick that I had. Or it's not a wax stick, but it's like, helps to get my hair slick. So I'm going to take smaller parts like this and then flat iron this out. And it's only on 350, you guys. So that's what it looks like. That's one pass. I kind of tap my roots and then, ooh, that's hot. I tap my roots twice and then do it like that. So that's tap, tap, and then do that. Okay, so this is done. Now what I have to do is go into this part of my hair. Can you guys see that? So all of this is also my hair where it's like not done completely. So I'm gonna try to separate this and get this straight as well. I don't know why I never did it like this before. Should have always done it like this, like, because you can see the hairs. So that side is pretty much straight. I probably will go back over it one more time, like, to get it super straight because I only did one pass on this, and usually I do a couple to get it like real straight. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this side, and then we're gonna curl it so you can see. All right, so this is everything blow dried, straightened out. It's not like super flat. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's flat enough. So I just want to do some like blowout curls. So I think I'm gonna do that first. So I blow dried it out pretty straight. I don't know if I wanna, I always debate whether or not I wanna keep my hair like this or if I wanna change it up. I haven't used this in a while. My Hot Tools curling iron. And this is, I don't know what inch it is, but I'm gonna use this one today. I usually use my T3. They're about the same size. I forgot how to turn this on. I got it. This is cool because like you could turn the temperature up or down. Usually I'm at 350. Right now it's at 355, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And then I'm gonna start curling my hair. I don't want crazy curls. I just want like simple curls today. So I'm going to, oh, there you go. All right, so I'm just gonna take my hair and then hot comb it real quick. I mean, curl it. For some reason, when I'm trying to curl this, it's being difficult. Like it's not opening up all the way. Now I'm used to the other T3, so that also could be it. Guys, this curling iron, it's really not the one I like. I never was like, I don't know what that's called, like biased towards a curling iron, but I feel biased towards this curling iron right now because it's not doing what I want it to do. Like it's not bad, but it's just not good. I don't know how to explain it. All right, so this side is done. I don't love these curls. They're not bad. They're just very, oof, blah. You know what I mean? Maybe it's because my hair is not, I mean, my makeup is not done, but I just am not feeling this curling iron. So I think that's it more than anything else. I feel like the T3 is a lot better. Yeah, it's okay. I just wanted to do the blowout look. Like, I hope it's giving that, because that's what I really want. And I obviously have to do my edges still, but it's supposed to be like effortless curls. Is it giving that? Gonna leave that like that. Done side, not done side. I'm gonna come back when I'm finished because it's gonna be like the same repetitive thing over and over, so I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished everything I needed to do. So we're gonna do a quick face. I always do this wrong too, by the way. I always like pull it off the top. But we're gonna do just a quick face. I kind of want to do my individual lashes, and I don't at the same time. Let's go in with NARS today. Haven't used this in such a long time. Just clipped it back so it's out of my way, and then I'm gonna just put on my, haven't used this in so long, I'm scared. I haven't used this in so long, I'm so excited. Because this, when I was using it, was so good. That's a lot on my forehead. I really honestly don't even feel like doing my makeup. Let me check to see. I gotta put on my lashes. I'm gonna use these today, I think. Just put these on because I haven't done my lashes in a minute and I just want to be like put together. My thing with lashes is once they're done, they look so good and then you don't have to worry about them. And just try to get this in my hairline. I feel like that's a lot. That's a little bit too much foundation for me. I don't know why I put so much on, but I'm looking very dewy, and I don't know why I have a pimple right there in the middle of my forehead because I swear it was not there before I put this makeup on. So we're gonna try to make this work even though I have a ton of foundation on. Why did I put so much on, y'all? What was the reason for that? Like, I really hate that water heater. It's so loud for no reason. I really don't have a lot to talk about today. It's just really like a, maybe this could be like makeup therapy for you guys. I don't want to take some of this off. I want to take some of this off. It's so much. I don't like it. I don't want to look cakey. Y'all think I'm going to look cakey? Like, I think I went a little too hard with that freaking foundation. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to look cakey today. That stinks. Because I was trying to do a light beat. Also, this is dewy, so maybe that's why my face looks like that. I don't know. I'm going to come back after my lashes and everything are done. I just feel like I don't love the way my makeup looks already. And, oh, I didn't put blush on either. Like, sometimes you're feeling it. I mean, it's also not done, so you gotta kind of trust this process, but just don't feel Like, it looks really nice today. So we're gonna have to figure this out because it's not giving me what I wanted to give me today. Yeah, so we're not giving what I want to give today. It's not exactly how I want, but we're gonna make it work because that's what we do. And it's gonna all come together, I'm sure. Just right now, I'm just not feeling confident in my makeup. Okay, y'all. So let's come back when we're done with lashes and my brows. So I'll be back. You guys, I just finished. I finished my lashes and my brows. I don't love them. I don't love my makeup today. That's what it is. I feel like it's just something about my makeup that's off today. So I'm trying my best to like just get over it and then be okay. But in reality, I just don't like it. I don't know why I don't like my makeup today. I just, some days you have days where you're like, oh yes, girl, my makeup is it. And then you have days where it's like, what is happening? Like my brow right now, like why is that looking like that, the top? See what I'm saying? Like just, why can't I get it together? For this to be like makeup therapy, it's not giving makeup therapy. It's giving, no. I tried as much as possible to straighten my edges a little bit more today, and I feel like it's gonna pay off because it looked better already. Okay, and let's take this out. It's definitely fluffy, but you know how this is. It's never gonna do what I want it to do. So I gotta go back and get it flatter. Alright, so that's pretty much what I'm looking like right now. I know that it's not fully flat. I hate that. Hold on, y'all. Okay, somewhere in this room I have this like, I don't know, not gel, but like the serum. So what I'm gonna do is probably hit my hair a little bit more to try to get this like lifted a little bit. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna try to lift, like hit it and lift it. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then this side, I just use like an apricot oil. I never really use like serums, but I probably should start using them. Cause it's like a skinny serum from Paul Mitchell. This one is Aussie. And what I'm gonna do too is just get my, you see how I hit those? It's definitely, okay. Alright, so that's it for that. I feel like I'm just gonna pop on some blush to get like that effect. Then I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna spray my face really good. And then put powder on, like the pressed powder. So let's do that. I don't know how I feel about my hair. Like, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So I don't know. It's just, these, maybe once they drop, it'll look better. I mean, the part is like this. It's like effortless, but not really. Like these curls, I feel like this side looks better than this side. I don't know if it didn't curl as well. Yeah, see, this side looks better than the other side. Whatever. This was a fail get ready with me. Like, I don't feel cute. One side didn't curl, so let's put this, no, this is the side that did curl. Let's put this side back. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do that so you can't really tell that this side didn't curl. Like, my hair is kind of still wet. Like, I dried it, but not fully, obviously, I guess, because it's still feeling like a little bit wet. Yeah, and it's just like a little fluffy a little bit fluffy. I feel like if I just do a few more curls on this side, it'll look better, but it's not curling. This curler, no. It's just okay. I don't really love this look. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I don't know. We're just gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. So this is supposed to be effortless blowout. It was not effortless and it's not giving blowout. And I'm just gonna leave everything alone because I feel like it's doing too much. I don't know why everybody upstairs is making that much noise. Oh, this I wanted to use and like, but it broke. What's this gonna look like? I can't tell you why everybody upstairs is as loud as they are because I don't know. So sorry if you hear that. Oh, I just muted out everything. That's as good as this looks gonna get today. Like, sorry it's not giving more of what I wanted to give. It's not bad, it's just not my, you know, favorite. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good, but it's just not as good as I want it to be. Like, okay, so I think I just figured it out. So what I did was I took my blow dryer and blow dried it so it could give like that Farrah Fawcett-ish, just freshly blow dried hair. Put some serum in it real quick. I mean, is it giving blow drying? Like blowout look? Is it giving blowout? Or it's fine. It's fine, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm finished. It took me like 2 hours to get ready. Why? I don't know. I gotta get ready to take Coco to get groomed. I did not talk really in this video at all, so I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.